Hey guys, happy Sunday. So this is Arlen Donaldson, real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. So this is my open house. She is my assistant? Sign twirl. Okay. This is the community. You show me your trick. Oh, yay. And that's her job over here. Okay, this is the community. And let's go inside. We are doing a neighborhood open house. It's all the listing in this neighborhood, so it's gonna be fun, right? So I'm inside now, and this is the Poyer's beautiful house. It's listed for $945 only. We have a price correction. We dropped $5,000 and the sellers is motivated to sell. So any one of you looking to buy a house here in Prosper, Texas, come and visit me here. And I have all the stuff here. Okay, you can scan and look at my beautiful sign. So pretty, right? And of course, this beautiful house, not about that one. And what about I love this house. I have a lot of things about this house for. Look, this is a pocket office. You call that pocket office? And the master bedroom of this beautiful house is huge. Look. It's like one house already. It's just the master of this house. They have a huge bathroom. It's beautiful and big. So it's a two-story house here in Prosper. If you are looking in Prosper area, you can meet me today. I'm available and happy to help you and guide you today until 1 o'clock. So the address of this property, if you wanna come is 1510 Crimson's Trail in Prosper, Texas. So this is the one. So that's the address. This is another community tour. So I'm here until 1 to 3. So this is the address. 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 4,260 square feet. Beautiful house. And come and visit me today. This is a beautiful house, or at least I meet you guys in person, right? So I'm also marketing other client on this neighborhood. And what's another one that I love this house? I'll tour you around which one. It's beautiful. Wow, this is the one other. I love this property. Look. Huge backyard, right? So come and visit me today. I'm staying here until 1 to 3 p.m. and it will be amazing day to talk to you guys, meet you guys in person, and most of all, anything that I can help, I'm here for you. If you're looking to buy or sell a house here in North Dallas, Texas, call me at 214-690-1233. Have a great one.